In front of me is SONY Xperia VII, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down. Then hit System, select the gestures over here, and tap on one-handed mode. Now if you are using gesture navigation, use this switcher next to use one-handed mode to activate it. Make sure to click on pause screen into reach, and then follow all of those instructions. Swipe down on the navigation bar to launch one-handed mode. So when I do that, one-handed mode is on. To go back, swipe up or click on this area at the top. To disable it completely, use the same now green switcher. If you are using 3 buttons navigation though, I will switch mine to show you. This option will be unavailable. To still use one-handed mode, scroll all the way down and use gray switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Hit OK and enter or exit one-handed mode thanks to this shortcut. To disable it, tap on the same now green switcher. To manage this option, you can also click on one-handed mode on the left and pick one of those instead. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!